Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the phone app and navigating directly to the call log. This gets you to the specific entry to block. Once you see the number, highlight it and press Options to reveal actions. You do this because blocking from the call entry is faster than searching contacts. Make sure the number shown is exact. If it's a caller ID with spaces or country code, note that variation before you apply the block action. Now select Options and pick Add to Blacklist or Block Number depending on your geo phone model. This is the critical step that prevents future rings. Once chosen, confirm the action. Many phones ask whether to block calls, SMS, or both, so select both if you want total silence. You do this so unwanted numbers go straight to reject. After confirmation, open Settings Call Settings Blacklist to verify the entry and adjust Finish by checking the blacklist to ensure the number was saved. You want to confirm so you don't miss future unwanted calls. If calls still come through, restart the phone and re-add the number using the exact format shown on recent calls. Country codes can cause duplicates. If you find you blocked the wrong number, open the blacklist, select the entry, and remove or edit it. One tip: test with a trusted alternate number to confirm blocking works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.